Okay, we're going to talk about 24-hour time. So as we know, the start of the day, let's say it's Monday, okay? Monday starts here at 12 a.m. And as soon as we go past 12 a.m., it's now no longer Sunday, it's Monday. So this is the first hour that's gone by. So we could call that 1 a.m. Or if we wanted to talk in 24-hour time, that would be 1 hour, like that. And then when we go round to 2, well, that's 2 a.m. Or we could call that 2. 2 hours have passed. So with the 24-hour clock, we're counting how many hours of the day we've had so far. So, of course, 3 would be 3 a.m. or 300 hours, or 4 would be 4 a.m. and 400 hours, 5 a.m., 6 a.m., 7 a.m., 8 a.m., 9 a.m., 10 a.m., 11 a.m. So let's write that one in, 11 a.m. So 11 a.m. in the morning, or we could call that in 24-hour time 1100 hours. All right, now here's the interesting part, because as soon as we get up to here, it changes, and it's now PM time. So we could say it's afternoon time, 12 p.m., and then 1 p.m. in the afternoon, and 2 p.m. in the afternoon, we could call it that, 3 p.m. in the afternoon. Now, 3 p.m., we could also say 12 hours of the day have gone by already, okay? And then another 3 hours have gone past that midday point. So if we were talking about how many hours the day is long, we would say we've got 12 hours already and another 1, 2, and 3. So 12 and 3 p.m., we could call it 1500 hours. Okay, and it's 15 hours because that's how long the day is. The day started at 12 a.m. We've gone all the way around the clock with those a.m. times, all the way back up to the top, and then we start counting the hours after that. So we've got 12 hours, 13, 14, 15 hours have gone by. So with that in mind then, when we look at something like 6 p.m., so if we write 6 p.m. in here, we can call it 6 p.m. Or we can say 12 hours of the day have already passed, they're the AM times, and then another 6 hours on top, so 12, and then another 6, we could call it 1800 hours. And it's the same as we go all the way around, so 9 p.m., well, we'd say 12 hours of the day have already gone, those AM times, and now the clock's going round again. Another 9 on top of that 12 that we've already had. 9 and 12 gives us 2100 hours. And so it goes like that all the way. We keep counting like that. So if we were talking 24-hour time, we'd say this is 2200 hours. Just get my pen back. Yep. Okay, 2200 hours. 11 p.m. would be 2300 hours. And then finally, when we get back to the top again, okay, Monday's nearly finished now. Once we get to the very top, we'll start on 0 or 12 a.m. So this is 0 if we're talking in 24-hour time. And then around we go again, and we start again with the 1 a.m. or 1 hour gone by. I hope that helps.